Welcome to Housekeeping Master. Today we are looking at something that is essentially the backbone of every kitchen, the 16-piece non-stick pots and pan set. If you are someone who is tired of struggling with burnt food or scrubbing pans for 20 minutes after a simple dinner, this review is for you. When you open the box, you are getting a very comprehensive collection. It includes a 9-inch and an 11-inch fryer, an 11-inch covered fryer, a 4.3-quart covered steamer, a 1.5-quart covered stewer, plus a silicone spatula, pliers, and 4 reusable pot protectors. It is a complete starter kit that covers pretty much every cooking technique you would use in a standard home kitchen. What stands out immediately is the construction. These pans utilize a durable aluminum core. From a technical standpoint, this is a great choice because aluminum is an excellent heat conductor. It allows the pans to heat up rapidly and, more importantly, it promotes even heat distribution across the surface. This means you are far less likely to deal with those annoying hot spots that lead to unevenly cooked proteins or burnt sauce. The build quality focuses on safety and convenience. The handles are made from durable Bakelite, which is designed to stay cool to the touch while you are working over a flame. This is a big deal if you are a home cook who often finds yourself juggling multiple pots at once. The inclusion of transparent lids is another win. Being able to check your food without lifting the lid and losing that valuable steam and heat is essential for precise cooking. Now, let us talk about the non-stick performance. The cleaning process is arguably the biggest selling point here. Because of the specialized coating, these pans are incredibly easy to maintain. You can often just wipe them out with a paper towel or a quick rinse under the tap. For anyone who dreads the cleanup phase of cooking, this is a massive quality of life improvement. However, no product is perfect. While these are great for daily cooking tasks, you should always remember that non-stick pans generally require gentle care. Avoid using metal utensils that could scratch the surface and try to stick to silicone or wood to keep that coating intact for as long as possible. The inclusion of 4 pot protectors is a very thoughtful addition by the manufacturer, as it helps prevent scratching if you decide to stack these pans in a cabinet. In conclusion, this 16-piece set is an impressive value package. It hits the trifecta of being fast to heat, simple to clean, and very easy to use for everyday meals. Whether you are moving into a new apartment or just looking to replace a mismatched collection of old, beat-up cookware, this set provides a consistent and reliable experience. It is a practical investment that makes spending time in the kitchen much less of a chore. If you want to check the current pricing or grab a set for yourself, you can find the information below. Link in the description.